Here you see the TOA M2 router module that we have developed for Compass Control Pro. We've programmed a modular 2.0 project, and we've added the TOA M2 router. We see here the GUI where you can choose your output and select a source, and the volume slider is used to control the output channel volume. We can select the independent source for each output channel, set a volume level for each output channel, and the module, of course, shows you the settings that you've applied. So we'll just go through and set the source and the volume level for each output channel. And what's effectively happening here is the module is sending a negative infinity command to all inputs, and it sends followed by a pass-through, a 0 dB pass-through for the selected source. And of course, we could also do muting for each output channel. So we'll just go ahead and apply that to each of the odd number channels and just run through one more time here so you can see the status that has been applied to each output channel